So I'm here on the south side of Wilmington, Delaware, and you know, I'll tell you, Triple D doesn't get out to Delaware enough because this food scene is going on. I'm here to check out a joint where a culinary instructor, all in 1 year, decides to buy a house, have a baby, and open up a sausage emporium. This is MAIALE.
Table 62, sausage and peppers.
Food at MAIALE is fantastic. The sausages, the salami, the prosciutto.
Walking in, corned beef Reuben, short rib.
His sausages are unique, flavorful, hit the spot every single time.
And when it comes to making the sausage, Chef Billy Rostrom's big on the pig, and then goes even bigger from there.
MAIALE is Italian for pig. Majority of our stuff is from the pig.
What were you doing before you did this?
I taught culinary arts, wanted to work for myself, so I thought, how can I use my chef skills to make something that's gonna be different?
Got it. And how many different sausages do you make?
Up to 40. I thought, what foods do I like?
Right.
How do I make that into a
How
sausage?
to make a pepperoni pizza chicken sausage.
So I did that,
So you just do whatever you want.
pretty much.
He blends different flavors together that you might not ever think would belong in sausage, but it's delicious.
Walking in, Thai curry.
The Thai curry chicken sausage is one of my favorite sandwiches. It's got a great amount of spice.
The curry, it blasts in your mouth.
All right, well, let's get after it. What are we making?
All right, so today we're gonna do the Thai curry chicken sausage. Here I have our ground chicken thighs.
You bringing this in ground?
No, we grind it ourselves.
Okay.
Yeah, my grinder's like...
Show off. Yeah.
Then we have some ground pork fat, garlic, chopped cilantro, cayenne pepper, curry powder,
Getting after it.
a little white pepper, salt. Finish it with lime juice, and then coconut milk.
Everything you'd like in a nice Thai meatball. Whoa.
I know.
I have seen some big sausage stuffers. That right there might take the cake.
And this is actually our smaller one. I have one that's double this size.
This is sexy. Synthetic casing or natural?
No, we do all-natural hog casings.
Got it.
So now that the links are made, we're gonna poke any air gaps out of there. I only wanna poke where the holes are.
Right.
I don't just wanna kinda go willy-nilly at it.
You don't want to get all willy-nilly when you're making your sausage.
Put them on the water to poach.
And then for service,
We'll slice them and put them on the grill. Now we're making our Asian slaw, shredded red cabbage, shredded carrots, kosher salt, sugar, garlic, soy sauce, lime juice, sesame oil at the end.
dig it. Where's the bun coming from?
We get our buns out of Jersey. Nice and firm, crispy on the outside. Get a nice toasty toast on that.
Did he say toasty toast?
Take some of our slaw, pop it on top. Asian sriracha mayo.
And that's all she wrote. Chef, I'll tell you what, you'd be hard-pressed to tell somebody that didn't come out of a famous Thai restaurant. There's good heat, there's good curry, there's nice balance with this crunch. This sausage is super moist. When you call it Thai curry, you want it to be Thai curry. You don't want the aioli to be carrying the curry flavor. There is no question this is Thai curry. That's a real deal.
Thank you.
You should think about taking up this sausage thing. I know it's a long shot. Well done.
Thai chicken curry sandwich.
The slaw is crisp, the aioli is delicious, the bread is perfect.
You don't want that last bite. You want more and more.
Roman chicken sausage, basil mayo.
Billy is just phenomenal. He's the sausage king of Delaware.